In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you a few advanced dropshipping strategies for Shopify. First of all, you wanted to focus into the niche specialization. So it's no secret that in order to have truly engagement and traffic into your website, you need to have a really specific niche where you actually wanted to sell products. So to find an actual niche, you can always go and open a new tab and look, for example, some niche Shopify Finder. Now there's a lot of solutions that can give you, for example, the find niche, there's the e-commerce platform, there's your Shopify even niche section. But what I truly use that can be really useful for you is to use ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT is going to be giving you all this information, not for free of course, but it's really an awesome great investment to try to find which is the best option for you. So, for example, I just asked the ChatGPT, find me a niche that can give me boost of success to sell in Shopify using dropshipping, specifically focused into Mexico City. So I have the phone accessories, I have the mom and kids, I have the office supplies, gaming accessories, kitchen appliances, and all of that. So all this information can be really helpful for me to choose a wide range of product choosing form. Let's say for example that I wanted to focus into phone and accessories. So as you can see here is Burga. Now this one is an actual Shopify dropshipping store specialized in phone accessories. So I'm going to be opening a new tab and look out for this actual website just to make sure how this actual guys does it inside the actual dropshipping world. So check it out here. You have the tablet cases, there's an eyewear, there's notebooks, drinking well, and much more stuff. Now the second thing that I can give you is the supplier relations. Now these next mastering supplier relations, building strong relationships with your suppliers can lead to better prices, exclusive products, and improved shipping times. Now usually since we are actually new inside of dropshipping, there's not a lot of competitors or a lot of suppliers that you can have a strong relationship. For what I can totally suggest you to focus into the second section is to try to find the best dropshipper suppliers that we have so far. And one that I do love a lot is called CJ Dropshipping. They can be helping you to do dropshipping with really great products, really great prices, and no setup, no monthly, no storage, no minimum order. Really great application. Now the third strategy that I can give you is the customization and the actual branding. Now, as you all know guys, focus on customization and branding. Differentiate your products with custom packaging and branding. Now this enhances customer experience and loyalty. That means, for example, there's Burga. Burga focused into phone cases, ring holders, earbuds, tablets, MacBook, everything about mobile and accessories. So what I want to do is to try not to do exactly the same thing, but to try to specifically focus into, in this case, the branding colors, the fonts, everything that can be helpful for me to drive some traffic and for people can recognize what I am doing. For example, speaking about colors, speaking about the fonts, speaking about the actual branding, this guy actually do something great, and this is actually a website created with Shopify. So specifically speaking about Beefcake swim sweaters, it doesn't look that bad. Really great for the niche actually. The next strategy is called the marketing and the CEO. So utilize advanced digital marketing strategies and optimize your store for search engines to drive some traffic and sales. You can go directly into your Shopify, go into applications, and type the word CEO. It's going to be showing you applications that can be helping you to boost your store a little bit more than you have already. For example, the image optimizer, the speed, the Yoast CEO, increase organic traffics, technicals, and get rich results. So both of them are actually really great application. Try to look for the one that best suits for your actual store. And lastly, there's an analytics and adaptation. If you focus into the part of the analytics, you can regularly analyze your store data to understand customer behaviors and market trending. So adapt quickly to stay ahead of the competition. Check out how many sales you have done so far. Check out how many people make some orders, from where do they actually come from, if these guys are actually from in a specific country, there was a holiday that you make some sales or not. You have a lot of empty carts Check out the top collections, the top locations. Really important when it comes to checking out where you want to make your sales, your truly sales into Shopify. So implementing these advanced strategies into your Shopify dropshipping businesses can lead to significantly growth your store and profitability. It's all about staying innovative and responsive to marketing changes. This is an example of what you can do when it comes to creating a Shopify store to have an actual great branding and advanced techniques. This can be you. So if you want more insight like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Share this video, drop a comment with your favorite strategy. Until next time, guys, keep scaling your Shopify empire. See you on the next video.